Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to change to mobile view here on Firefox. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so what we need to do is find the website you'd like to go to. So let's go to The Independent, for example. Okay, oh, it's a nice little, there we go. All we now need to do is go to the very top right of your screen and click on these three lines and go down to More Tools. Once you're in here, you want to go to Responsive Design Mode and click on that option. And as you can see, it's now made it into a screen size for me. Now, if I want to change change it into landscape rather than portrait, I can click this button, and I can also go through and amend the sizing. So let's make that 1080p, for example. So that 1080 by 720, for example. And I can make it the size I would like it to be. It really is as simple as that. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.